Did you know that you could get AI to draft a reply to every single email that you get? So no longer do you have to write out answers to emails. Instead, you just look and see whether or not you want to approve the draft that's already there. Or maybe you didn't realize that AI can find you exactly what's trending on social media, so you make content about that and it makes it easier for you to go viral. Well, those two things are absolutely nothing, because by the end of this video, you're going to have 5 free AI automations that you can set up right now. And what's even crazier is I'm going to put links below for each of these. You literally just click on that link and it will build out the automation if the one that I'm talking about is something you could use. Because if you've been struggling to automate things, this video is going to change your life and show you just how easy it is. Okay, now the first thing that I want to show you an automation for is going to be something like this. When I receive a new email in Gmail, send the messages to ChatGPT in order to summarize and then draft a reply on email. Now, the way that we're going to build this out is going to be with Zapier's AI Copilot, because as you can see right here, you can literally just click right here on send, and this is going to go through and this is going to think through the entire process. It is going to reason through all of this, and then it will literally build this out for you, and then you just connect all these different modules, and just like that, you have an AI automation that's set up that can respond to every email that you get 24/7. Now, for the sake of this, we're going to set this up so that it only drafts a reply on Gmail, but if you wanted it to full-fledged send that response, it could actually do it. We could see right here that it's building it out. Gmail, trigger, ChatGPT, action. This is the proposed system. So long as we agree with this, I'm going to click right here to continue with Zap Editor. And now this is literally going to go through and this is going to build this out. And if I wanted it to make changes, I just tell it right here in the Copilot. If I wanted to ask it things, I could turn it over to ask and I can just ask it things. But otherwise, this is going to build out this automation for me. Now, like I was telling you, all the links that I'm putting below on this video in the description are going to be for all these different automations, and it's going to automatically bring you to this page where, as you can see right here, these things are getting built out. Now, from here, literally all we have to do is come over here, click into each of these modules, and make sure that these are set up. Okay, so this first one right here, this is going to be email. We could come through, we could test it, we could make sure that this is good, and boom, this is good. Now, the next thing that we need to set up is going to be ChatGPT here. Now, if you have an OpenAI key, you literally just connect this to your ChatGPT account with the API. Otherwise, you could actually use Zapier AI if you wanted to. So if we click on Zapier AI right here, this actually makes it way easier if you're not very attuned to things like API keys and stuff like that. Because you could come over here and you could choose what model you want to use, and we could choose between a bunch of them. We could choose between OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or Zor by OpenAI. For the sake of this, I'm just going to use OpenAI. We're going to use GPT-4o Mini, and then we're going to see the different input fields right here. For the sake of this, this is only going to be text. We could see the knowledge source right here. So if you have ways that you want to reply to certain emails, guess what? You're just going to upload that as a file, as a Google Doc, or as a Notion document or something like that, so that this is actually trained on how you want to reply. Maybe you want it to reply to sponsorship emails a certain way, or refund emails a certain way. You could add in those knowledge sources. And then from here, you're just going to come over and type in the prompt. So I want you to create professional replies to all of my emails based on the knowledge base that I gave you. Here is the email you should be replying to. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put slash. We can come over here and we can see what we're actually going to be using from each email here. And what we're going to be looking for is the actual body plane right here. So I'm going to put this right here. And basically what this ends up doing is this is now using Zapier AI with this ChatGPT model. It's feeding this prompt and it's giving it that information on Gmail. Now, if we wanted to, we could actually come over here and generate a preview here, or as we could see over here, we could actually use AI to improve the prompt if you don't feel that confident in the prompts that you're building. And then you just come back over here, we're going to say done, and then this is going to continue to build out the rest of this app right here, which is just going to be adding in this action in order to now draft a reply. And then you'll be able to do a test run right here or publish it straight from inside of here. Now, I wanted to show you what this actually looks like when this is fully built out. We could see something like this, where this is drafting a professional response in the way that I like to reply. Because what I did with my specific one was I gave it a knowledge base that shows how I like to do sponsorships and how I like to run through that and the process that I like. And then it knows that and replies on time or does the draft. And then I just log in here and click send, and I don't have to waste any brain power doing this manually. The next automation that I personally can't live without is going to be this one right here that uses Zapier and Appify in order to find out what's trending on TikTok. As you can see, I have this run every single day right here. This then comes over here and this grabs this Appify actor that is then going to go to TikTok and figure out what is actually trending. This is going to delay right here while that goes through and actually grabs everything that's associated with the inputs that I put in here. For example, for this one in specific, if I come over to Appify, we could see exactly what I have coming on over here. We go into Save Task, we click on this right here, and we could see that this is actually going through a bunch of different usernames that I have in here in order to figure out what's trending on their page. And then from there, what's going to happen is Zapier is then going to find that information right here. It is going to analyze it. It's going to delay, and then it's going to send me an email with exactly what's trending. And I could just come over here and then we could see the emails that I get every single day where it literally walks me through exactly what is trending in my niche. It literally gives me tons of different videos. And if we come over here, we could see this is one of the reasons that I've been able to gain so many followers on TikTok in a really short period of time. Now, the next automation that I have set up is actually done as an agent because you can build out agents inside of Zapier too. So if we come over here, we could see exactly what this looks like. So I have this scheduled to run every day, once again, at 9 a.m. It's just about the time that I get to the office, which is why I have all these different automations run for this. And then we could see exactly what this does. This goes through and it checks my Gmail for new messages received between 5 p.m. yesterday and 9 a.m. today. And then it goes through and checks my Slack for new messages and notifications received between 5 p.m. yesterday and 9 a.m. today. It then goes through, it analyzes all those different messages in order to determine what things are going to be urgent or need immediate action. It then goes into my Google Calendar in order to get all my different events from today, from meeting times, titles, attendees. It compiles all of that as a comprehensive daily brief with sections for urgent items, other notable mentions to review, today's calendar schedule, and then this sends me over a formatted report to my Gmail inbox with the subject line, Daily Morning Brief with today's date. Because the goal of this is for me to have an automated daily report at 9 a.m. summarizing urgent communications and today's schedule to help me prioritize the day that I have ahead. And as we can see, this has access to tons of different things. It has access to my calendar, to my email, to my calendar again, to Slack, and then also to send emails. And setting this up is really easy. Literally just come over here. You could click on this plus right here, and then you can search through thousands of different apps. You could click on these right here, and you can add in all these different actions that your Zapier agent is going to be able to take. And then you literally just explain to it in plain English what you want it to do, and it does it. And then we can see exactly what this looks like over here. So we could see that it is running through this, ran through my Gmail, ran through my Google Calendar, ran through Slack, found my email again, and then it created this daily morning brief right here with all of the different things that I need to pay attention to and today's schedule, different recommendations, and it gave me an overall communication summary right here. And we could see that this will also then email this to me. This right here is just a test, but you could set this up to give you this however you want. You could have it text you it, Slack you it, email you it, doesn't matter. Whatever you could think of. Now, for the fourth automation, before I get into my last and favorite one, we could see that I have the same exact thing, but this is Zapier x Appify Instagram trends. So for this one, it's basically the same exact setup as the TikTok one, except what I did was I came over here and just specified a different Appify task that it's going to be running. And if we come over into Appify right here, we could see that this one is using this Instagram tool, and we could see that I've added in a bunch of different people that I want this to pay attention to. And then just like the TikTok one, this sends me an email every day with exactly what's trending in my niche on Instagram. And again, if we come over here and we come over to my Instagram, we could see this has been really successful. It's allowed me to gain over 64,000 followers in a really short period of time without me spending all day trying to create content, trying to come up with content. And another thing that you could do if you wanted to is you could actually have this run through, like I was showing you earlier with email. Instead of this going through and sending you an email, you could have this then hit one of those Zapier AI modules right here. And what you could actually do is give it knowledge base about exactly what kind of content you want to create or how you like to script your videos or different specifications that you have for that. And this can literally then script out your videos for you on the topics that are doing well in your niche. So now you literally just have to wake up in the morning, you have your scripts, you talk to the camera, or if you're doing faceless content, you do it like that, and instantly you have a bunch of trending videos, and you have a process that literally would have taken you hours before in the past, now take you minutes. Now for this last automation, this is honestly my favorite, and I think that this is going to be massive right now and in the future. So something I started doing, because as you guys know, I do run another YouTube channel that shows you how to grow on social media. What I've been doing are free YouTube audits. Essentially what people are able to do is put their name, their link to their channel, their niche, why they're looking to grow on YouTube. And then guess what's on the other end of that? So what this does right here is these then get put inside of a Google Sheet, and then I have a Zap over here that is watching this. So it's looking for new rows in that Google Sheet. It's then going to pass on that information into ChatGPT, or you could use Zapier AI for this, and then it's going to create a draft email to that person, and I call this a mini consulting experience. Now, this is all set up. I just have to go through and actually fill each of these out. But essentially what this then results in is an automated consulting experience. In the past, I would have had to manually go through and look at their channel and look at their niche and look at why they're trying to grow. But now I could give them a detailed response that provides them value 24/7. And the nice part about this is it pitches something that I'm selling on top of that. So this right here is a win-win. It's value for the client, and it's just a way better lead magnet. Instead of giving somebody a PDF, why don't I give them a personalized report on how to do something? And you could do the same exact thing for your business, for your leads, or for your lead magnets. And again, Zapier makes this incredibly easy for you to be able to do. You literally just take this blueprint that I've laid out, filled in all the details, like where the sheet is, how you want ChatGPT to act, and then who's actually getting that drafted reply, and boom, you have a mini consulting experience set up. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you how to connect Zapier to your ChatGPT so that you can access more than 8,000 different apps from ChatGPT.